Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. It's the 11th match. In round 2, scores Manchester High on 6 points, Wolmer's girls on 5. It's now time for the Speed Challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. Wolmer's girls, who won the toss, decided to go first, so it's time for your first minute. In what book of the Bible can you find the statement, "But the greatest of these is charity"?
1 Corinthians.
Correct. During animal cellular respiration, which gas is released from cells into the bloodstream?
Carbon dioxide.
Correct. Give a 6-letter word starting with D, which means to long for something.
Desire.
That's right. Who is the chief medical officer in Jamaica?
Jacqueline Bissesa Mackenzie.
Correct. In what year was TikTok launched?
2016.
17. In what U.S. state is Mount Rushmore located?
North Dakota.
South Dakota. Which American rapper released The College Dropout in 2004?
Pass.
Kanye West. What type of chemical bond is there in carbon dioxide?
Covalent bond.
Correct. What is the greatest common factor of 18 and 48?
6.
Good. How many movies have been released in the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise?
6.
5. Who became the first president of independent Zambia?
Pass.
Kenneth Kaunda. Who is the coach of the West Indies senior men's cricket team?
Phil Simmons.
That's right. In the formula P equals MV, where lowercase m and v have their conventional meanings, what does P represent?
Density.
Momentum. Well done, Wolmer's girls, for your first minute. Manchester High School, we're coming over to you now for your first minute. In what book of the Bible did a Roman ruler tell the Apostle Paul that too much learning made him mad?
Romans.
Acts. By what process is ingested food broken down into its constituent compounds? Correct. Give a 4-letter word starting with L, which is the comparative form of the word little.
Less.
That's right. Who is the permanent secretary in the Ministry of Health and Wellness in Jamaica?
Dunstan Brand.
Correct. Which operating system does a Google Pixel phone use?
Android.
Correct. In what U.S. state can you find the Grand Canyon?
Arizona.
That's right. Who released the debut single Love Story in 2008?
AJ Blige.
Taylor Swift. What is the term for one or two or more species of atoms of a chemical element with the same atomic number and position in the periodic table?
Isotopes.
Correct. What is the greatest common factor of 30 and 45?
15.
Correct. How many movies have been released in the Harry Potter franchise?
8.
That's right. Who immediately preceded Nelson Mandela, a South African president?
Anthony de Klerk.
Correct. Who is the president of Cricket West Indies?
Pass.
Ricky Skerritt. In the formula rho equals lowercase m over uppercase v, where m and v have their conventional meanings, what does rho represent? And we won't have time for the answer to that, which is density. Well done, Manchester, for your first minute. Ladies, we're coming back over to you now for your second minute. What number is 62 in Spain?
62.
That's right. Which Shakespearean play features the characters Bianca, Rodrigo, and Lodovico?
Othello.
Correct. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Deaf ears gee.
Lay at trouble.
That's right. In the Bible, how many chapters are in the book of Galatians?
5.
6. What is considered to be the upper limit of normal systolic blood pressure in a healthy adult?
Pass.
120 millimeters of mercury. What part of speech is the word but, B-U-T, in the sentence, Andy knocked on the door, but nobody...
Contradiction.
That's right. His worship Sheridan Samuels is the mayor in which Jamaican parish?
Hanover.
That's right. In which country is an archipelago in the central Mediterranean Sea between Sicily and the North African coast?
Balearic Islands.
Which country is Malta? What country has the shortest coastline in the world?
Pass.
Monaco. Who released the 2017 single Look What You Made Me Do?
Taylor Swift.
That's right. Heliox is a breathing gas mixture comprising which elements?
Helium and oxygen.
That's right. Find the least common multiple of 12, 18, and 24.
72.
That's right. Who won the Best Actor Oscar for the film Philadelphia?
Pass.
Tom Hanks. And that is your second minute. Well done, Wolmer's girls. Manchester, coming back over to you now for your second minute. What number is 500 in Spain?
500.
That's right. Which Shakespearean play features the characters Banquo and Malcolm?
Macbeth.
Correct. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Duppy know who?
Friend.
That's right. In the Bible, how many chapters are in the book of 2 Kings?
32.
25. In an average healthy adult at rest, how much blood in milliliters does the heart expel on each stroke?
74.
60 to 100 milliliters. Judges, what part of speech is the word home in the sentence? Please write your home address on the form.
Adjective.
Correct. His worship Colin Gager is the mayor in which Jamaican parish?
Trelawney.
That's right. What is the name for the small archipelagic state in South Asia which lies southwest of Sri Lanka and India?
Malaysia.
The Maldives. What country has the world's longest shoreline?
Spain.
Canada. Who released the 2019 single Watermelon Sugar?
Pass.
Harry Styles. What is the formula of selenium dioxide?
SEO2.
That's right. Find the least common multiple of 2, 19, and 38.
38.
38.
114. How many? And that is the end of your second minute. Manchester, well done. Ladies, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. In what month and year did Canada achieve independence?
Pass.
July 1867. What is the scheduled start of the 2021 Summer Olympics in Tokyo?
Pass.
July 23. What is the range of wavelengths in nanometers for the electromagnetic waves which lie in the 400 to 700 nanometers? What lunch items in Spain are bocadillos de queso?
Cheese sandwiches.
Good. Who is the author of the novel Brown Girl in the Ring?
Pass.
Nalo Hopkinson. In what Jamaican parish is the cast iron fountain?
Pass iron. Hanover.
Westmoreland. In the Bible, in which town did Jesus grow up after returning?
Nazareth.
Nazareth. Something came first. Judges. How many bones are present in the human backbone?
27.
33. Spell travesty.
Travesty.
Good. Who is the first Minister of Scotland and leader of the Scottish National Party?
Pass.
Nicola Sturgeon. Which country has the longest national anthem in the world?
Pass.
Greece. The city of Road Town is located on which specific Caribbean
Cayman
island?
Islands.
Tortola. What is the stage name of the Jamaican artist Dujon Edwards? And we won't have time for the answer to that, which I'm sure you knew was Javilani. Well done, Wolmer's girls, for your third and final minute. Manchester High, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. How many Oscars did the movie Titanic win in 1997?
12.
11. How many British colonies merged to form Canada?
2.
3. When was the last year that Tokyo hosted the Summer Olympics?
1984.
64. To which visible light wavelengths is the human eye most sensitive?
Visible light.
550 nanometers. What menu item in Spain is cerdo asado?
Roast pork.
Good. Which author wrote the collection You Have Your Father Hard Head?
Anna Goodison.
Colin Robinson. In what Jamaican parish is Catherine's Peak?
St. Andrew.
That's right. In the Bible, which disciple walked on water
Peter.
to go
Peter.
to? That's right. How many cranial nerves are there in the human eye?
12.
4. Spell panacea.
Panacea.
Good. Who is First Minister of Wales and leader of the Welsh Labour Party?
Pass.
Mark Drakeford. Which country has no national anthem of its own but borrows from neighbouring countries?
Austria.
Cyprus. The city of Charlotte Amalie is located on which specific island in the Caribbean?
St. Croix.
St. Thomas is the answer to that. Well done, Manchester. That's the end of an exciting speed challenge. Scores in the match. Manchester High have pulled ahead to 25 points. Wolmer's girls on their tail on 22. When we come back, it'll be time for the exciting buzzer challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us. This 11th match in round 2 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.